Hi, hello, good morning. This is Yoga Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. So today we are discuss about assembly language program. Yes, so each family of a processor has its own set of instructions for handling the various types of operation, such as the getting input from keyboard, displaying and information on the screen, performing various other jobs. So these sets of instructions is also called as the assembly language program and machine learning instructions. So we have to use to some three types categories, categorize the three levels. First one, machine level programming, assembly language programming and high level programming. Yes, an assembly language program is a low-level programming languages for a computer or other programmable devices. It is a specific or particular computing architectures is constructed to most high-level programming languages. So, assembly language programs is using 16-bit addition, 16-bit subtractions, and BCD additions and BCD subtractions. Yes, which are generally portable across multiple systems. So assembly language program is converted into executives of some NAS, MAS, etc. Assembler and like. So these all these are used to do in assembly language program. The first one, what is assembly language program? So assembly language program, each personal computer has a microprocessor. So using all PC, we have to use microprocessor IC, integrated circuits, so that manage that computers arithmetical and logicals and control activities. So in this PC we have to use the arithmetical and logical operations of. Yes, so first we have to discuss about machine level programming. So what is mean by machine level programming is instructions written using the binary codes. So binary codes is 0 and 1 values. A processor understand only machine learning instructions. So in using microprocessor kit, it will only understand the binary numbers, so which are the string of 0 and 1 values. So however the machine learning is to observe the complex of using software developments. So some of the software development we have to used only binary values. So the a low level assembly language program is designed. So some of the low level assembly languages are designed a specific family of the processor that represent the various instructions, symbolic codes and more understandable forms. So in that type of machine learning we have to use to some instructions and software developments, and then so those are have to used in only binary codes and binary values of 0 and 1. And then next, assembly level programming. So assembly level programming we have to write the some 16-bit addition 16. Yes, and the next, assembly language program. So assembly language program is the instructions returns using mnemonics. So what is mean by mnemonics? So mnemonics is a instructions form of the word, is example move, add and subtract. So these all the mnemonics is also compared to ALU, arithmetic and logical operations. So mnemonics we have to. Yes, so and how the program interface under OS processor and biases. So then how data is represented in memory, other external devices. So using assembly language program, and then the processor access and the executive instructions, all these including in assembly language program, and how the instruction access the process of the data. So data is how process is also including in the assembly language program, and the program access to internal accesses. So internal devices, it will using the instructions of mnemonics. For example, the mnemonics for the instructions perform addition operations in add. So I already tell about the mnemonics is also called as the instructions add, subtract, and multiple divisions. So move. So these all are the examples of the mnemonics. Thank you so much.